Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are making chicken with broccoli stir fry. This is a wholesome dish that combines flavorful chicken pieces, crunchy broccoli, and savory sauce. In a medium-sized bowl, combine Chinese rice wine vinegar, light soy sauce, chicken broth, honey, cornstarch, sesame oil, and red chili pepper. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until the cornstarch and honey dissolve nicely and blend with the rest of the ingredients. Once you're done with this, set the mixture aside. Go ahead and slice your chicken breast into long strips pieces. This should be about an inch thick. Bring the chicken pieces into a bowl and season with a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, and chicken bouillon stock cube. Toss the chicken pieces to coat with the seasoning. Next, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then bring in the seasoned chicken pieces. Brown the chicken for 4 minutes on one side. Once your chicken is nicely browned on one side, flip over to the other side and cook for 3 minutes until they are slightly browned also. Once you have achieved this golden brown color, you can go in with sliced onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Saute this for 3 minutes until they start to fragrance. While this is still cooking on low heat, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add your broccoli florets and steam them for 2 minutes or until you notice a vibrant green color. Remove them and set aside once they are ready. It's now time to stir in the sauce mixture. So make sure to stir it first to release the cornstarch at the bottom of the bowl. Then gently pour it over the chicken and mix to combine nicely. Cook these for 3 minutes and let the sauce thicken up nicely. Once the sauce looks thick and glossy, reduce your heat to low, adding the steamed broccoli florets and toast until everything has coated with the sauce. If you like some heat, sprinkle in some chili pepper to give it that. And here it is, our chicken with broccoli stir fry is ready. This chicken with broccoli stir fry is best served over steamed rice or noodles. It is a quick and easy recipe for you to make at home. I hope you try this recipe out and let me hear your feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Until next time guys, I love to see you again. Bye for now.